Hey everyone, Sam Battersby with Griot's Garage, and today I'm going to tell you about our ceramic tire dressing. This water-based tire dressing provides a natural finish on your tire with a slight satin appearance, but not a high gloss, and leaves behind durable ceramic protection. This is now our most durable tire dressing. Before you apply it to a tire, of course you want to clean that tire to get it completely bare and free of any old dressings that will interfere with the adhesion of the ceramic. So we're going to go ahead and clean this up with our 3-in-1 wheel tire mat cleaner, and then we will proceed to application of ceramic tire dressing. All right, we have a nice clean and dry tire ready to apply our ceramic tire dressing. Of course, you always want to ensure that the tire surface is completely clean and dry to the touch prior to application to ensure best durability. We're going to apply this with our blue detail sponge. You can also spray it directly onto the rubber, although we recommend applying it to a sponge or applicator to avoid any overspray. You're going to use about 6 sprays on the applicator there. Little bit goes a long way, and one of the nice features of this product is it spreads really well. These tires are completely bare, so it might take a little bit more than that to get around this half with all of the texturing that we have. But we're gonna work it in as we go around, apply it nice and evenly. As you can see, this product is not a high gloss finish. It's a nice satin to matte finish. Gives you the appearance of a nice natural clean tire. Not completely obvious that you have a dressing on there. Just a nice natural clean appearance. And it also dries to the touch, which is probably my favorite feature overall of this product, because that prevents it from attracting dust and dirt later on. And it also prevents sling onto adjacent panels like your fenders and doors once the tires get spun up as you're driving. So we're gonna just go around this one more time, make sure we got it nice and even. Work it into the lettering for a nice consistent appearance. And now I'm going to add just a little more to work on these sidewall lugs. It's another benefit of the sponge. You can really squeeze it into the tire lugs and texturing to get full distribution. Product doesn't build up, which is also really nice. And this is gonna be our most durable tire dressing now. So it's gonna resist rain and inclement weather for months at a time. So it will stay on your tire through multiple washes. If you do wanna refresh the appearance, you can reapply over existing ceramic tire, and then after a couple months, you can reset the surface and apply a fresh application.